Check it out. I was out cutting some wood, and look who's getting nosy because I moved the fence back a little bit. My get to it pile over here is no longer inside where they can get to it. So I can get to it. But I just had to do this because they've been absolutely fascinated with the wood that's what I cut. I'm cutting that. You can see a fresh cut right there, right? That's what I'm cutting. It's been there. And they're just like, oh, this is new. You know, shiny things. Seriously. Unbelievable. For a while, they were all fascinated with that cedar branch that I cut down. And they had their fill of that. Well, they don't eat the same thing a lot. They'll like snack here and go there and everything. But this here is cedar. So they're more fascinated with eating the wood and the bark. Seriously, they were eating the sawdust before, so this is just... Oh, I don't understand. I don't. Even the guy's going away. I was going to say maybe it's a guy thing, but it's not. They're all like that, except for the ladies. They're off to greener pastures. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, you've been asking for a goat video, so it's kind of boring unless the sun is out, but here we go. That's what they do. It's not sunny, they're not playing. They're just like, okay, whatever. Oh well. Okay. As soon as they do something, I will send videos. Bye. Stay home. Oh, you crazy people, stay home. It's not over. Every time they give us good news, our numbers go up. Haven't you figured that out yet? Stay home. Okay. Bye.